In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to create Binance P2P merchant account. In order to create Binance P2P merchant account, you have to follow the steps. First of all, make sure that you're using a web version of your Binance. Now, currently, the following application isn't working in my region, so I'm unable to show you the procedure on the website. So I'm going to use an application. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, you have to go ahead and press on the icon located in the top right hand side corner of your screen. And when you press on it, so when you're on the home page, press the icon from the top right and then go to P2P section from recommended. So right on this page, you'll be able to find an option as merchant trading. You have to go ahead and press on that, and when you actually press on it, then you'll have to follow the prompt in order to continue the procedure or to create a Binance P2P merchant account. And with that, you'll have successfully completed the steps. So that's how you can create a Binance P2P merchant account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.